Anyone that tells you that priming doesn't make a difference, I don't think they know what they're talking about. There's a reason why they still sell primer. Paint with primer, give me a break. Welcome back to the house edition. So this morning, I was going to go ahead and start laying some flooring, but it's raining outside, pretty decent rain, so I don't know that I'm going to be able to set up to do the cutting that I need to do. So I may just kind of reorganize the room a little and maybe thin some things down and move some stuff out of the way, so when I come in with the wood flooring later, I'll be able to not have to move so much at that time. So let's get started. So I've got everything cleared out, so other than cleaning it up, at least I could do one whole roll of that builder paper before I have to move anything. So I could maybe get into a second roll, but some of these things will be in the way. So at that time, I'll probably have to shift the boxes over here or into the hallway. And that won't be so bad because I'll burn through some of them just getting that much done. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to double check to make sure I got everything. So rather than get into the grout this afternoon, I think I might just stop and leave early for the day, and I'll pick back up tomorrow where I can do the grout early. And then I don't have to be concerned about doing the painting. I can get into the woodwork. So I think that'll be easier to get into. And this painting, it's not really critical. I'd almost prefer to do all the painting and be done. So like after I finish the woodwork, because every time I strike that gun, I run a chance of bumping into and like scuffing the walls. So at least at that point, everything would be cleared out and the painting would be the last painting and it would be all done. So for right now, I think I'm just going to stop and I'll pick back up tomorrow. So now it's the next morning and the weather's better. So I'm going to get the equipment out, get set up, and get back to running the hardwood. So let's get started. plywood is too high. So I'm gonna have to do some kind of a planing here to take this plywood down a little so it flushes this better. Okay. I want to try to do these all with continuous pieces, so I'm going to have to open up another box and out of long pieces. Now we got to put the paper down out here and get the line all the way across to start the next rows, like the long rows. So I got the line marked out. Now I'm just going to rip the pieces, and I'll get the measurement that I need by just setting a full piece there, and I'll measure the difference. And then I'll probably get like 1/4 of an inch. So I'll go ahead and measure those out and start setting the first row. Only 1/2 inch. So we got the hardwood coming through the hallway now, and we're into the main bedroom. In the next clip, we're going to start off by grouting that bathroom floor finally. Once I get that done, I'll set up and start running some more hardwood, and hopefully we can get majority of this flooring done on Monday. I'll be happy to get that floor grouted because then we can set the vanity, and the plumbers will be in just a couple days to finish it off. So I hope you'll join me in the next clip where we keep making progress with the flooring and we get the bathroom floor wrapped up. I'll see you then.